Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now, power the phone off and remove the case so you can access the whole screen. Use a microfiber cloth and 70% isopropyl or a screen-safe spray. Lightly dampen the cloth, not the phone. Wipe with gentle circular motions to dissolve oils. Press around the sensor edge with a cotton swab for stubborn grime. Once done, let the phone air dry for 1 to 2 minutes. Moisture should never pool in seams or ports, so make sure the device is fully dry before moving on. Now focus on the fingerprint sensor area. You need precision. Use a soft brush or a wooden toothpick wrapped in microfiber to dislodge debris from sensor edges. Go slow so you don't scratch. If oil persists, apply a tiny amount of screen cleaner to the cloth and buff the sensor in straight strokes to preserve coatings. Once the surface looks uniform, dry and inspect visually. Then power on and test a fingerprint read in settings. This confirms whether you cleared the residue or need another careful pass. Finish by re-enrolling fingerprints. Remove old entries and add new scans while the sensor is clean. This recalibrates recognition for better accuracy. If readings remain unreliable, inspect or remove the screen protector. Misalignment or a worn oliphobic layer can block the sensor, so replace it if necessary. As a final step, restart the phone and retest. If problems persist after cleaning and protector replacement, contact manufacturer support or authorized.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.